Greetings to all my young friends all over the country for this very exciting event, which we are going to conduct on 7th February in the presence of the, our Madam Governor of Telangana and all the participants from many parts of the country. I think they have built the small cube type of satellites which are going to be carried in a balloon to almost 40 kilometer altitude, and then it will be measuring as it is ascending various parameters like the atmospheric conditions and also the ozone level, many other things, but it also carries the special materials which are part of the structures and also experiments with polymers and various fibers and seeds which are being carried. 100 types of seeds are actually going to be carried in each of these small satellites. It's almost like a matchbox size, as you all have seen, because most with your own hands. So, and you have already tested it. So, the other people who are actually doing the full mission, preparing the satellites, the small cubes on one side, putting them together in a carrying vehicle, and then it also has to be carried on a balloon. So the launching the balloon and then monitoring the path where it is going, altitude and also the latitude, longitude, it will be continuously monitored. And then as it is finally reaching the required altitude conditions, the balloon will be, because of the internal pressure and the structure, it will be just bursting at that point. So then it will be descending down. There will be a parachute system to slow down the speed at which it is touching down the ground. So you will be lucky to recover all the satellites and then you can take it back. You can also study what has happened in the experiments. So this is something you can say hands-on. Everywhere it is coming. This is in the American language. It is called STEM: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics and medicine. So equivalent program. This is hands-on. You wet your hands, do things, and then experience the whole thing. And it is a team building activity. It is not that one special area alone is highlighted. Most of the people will be in different streams. So in your future, because it will be wherever you want to go, whether you want to be in aeronautics, whether you want to be in rocketry or in marine systems, wherever. But overall experience that you go through, that will prepare you for a future career where you want to be. I think, there is the famous Tirukural, which is you can say, the guiding force for the entire country and also the whole world. Both morals and also the way of doing things and good conduct and character. He has given that, the kind of thing, ulluvadellam uyarullal. That is, always think something high, beyond what you think. So make the impossible possible. That is what I think you have to see. And that is where I think the Kalam's footsteps you are going to follow. He has pioneered many things. He has integrated diverse disciplined people together and then made the country both in the space program and also in the national security program. He played a very, very important role. So you are fortunate to be, taking part in a program where his name is a cherished name, and you will all be certified for successfully completing this program. But eventually, you have to go further and further. I think that is this is the first step. You can say a very small step in your younger age, but you will be growing further and further, and your own special areas of interest you can pursue, whether it is in this country or if you are lucky, you may be also going outside the country, and then both for studies, and also research, and also finally delivering something useful to the whole society. Because ultimately, the science and technology which we always nurture, it is meant for bringing prosperity to people from illiteracy, ill health, And also inequity. Inequity means, not everybody is having rich or poor. All that has to be eliminated by application of science and technology. So that is where the prosperity, pathway to prosperity will come through application of science and technology. And you are just in the first stage of, applying science and technology for something relevant to society. So this is where I hope that your teachers and the mentors who guided you till now, I think they have brought you to this stage, and I wish you all the success in the mission this time, and maybe there will be further missions in future coming also. And one more thing you'll have to think of is that the balloons which are taking the small CubeSats kind of things to 40, that will be the height which you are reaching. All the normal satellites go up to 400 kilometers, 500 kilometers, and beyond that we go for the other things. So, record is okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, it is going on. I think I get a warning that sound is not coming all right. Okay. Yeah, okay.
As a presentation, I'll talk to you, sir, before this presentation.
Yeah, now it is okay. You can. I will just end up with few sentences. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so wish you good luck, wish you Godspeed, and hope that the full success in all your experiments, the entire team across the country which is coming to Rameswaram to participate in this, and the others, the elders who are mentoring you, I wish them also the great success. Thank you so much. And Abdul Kalam Foundation, International Foundation, is playing a very, very major role in nurturing youth to make them blossom in many, many ways. So all the best to all the people who are participating here. Thank you.
Great.